Did you know staging your home can help it sell faster and for more money? If you're planning to sell in Sarnia Lambton, stay tuned. We're sharing top tips to make your home shine in the competitive Sarnia real estate market. Hi, I'm Casey Houston with Blue Coast Realty, your go-to experts for buying and selling homes in the Sarnia Lambton housing market. Whether you're selling your first home or your fifth, we're here to guide you every step of the way. Today, we're talking about the power of staging and how it can make a big difference when selling a home in Sarnia. Let's get started. In today's real estate world, first impressions are everything. And for most buyers, that first impression happens online. A well-staged home with great photos grabs attention, creates emotional connections, and helps buyers imagine themselves living in your space. Staging doesn't just make your home look good. It's a smart strategy to help you sell faster and for more money. Did you know staged homes sell up to 73% faster and can bring in 5 to 25% more than the asking price? That's the power of presentation. Top staging tips for selling your Sarnia home. Here are some tried and true tips to help your Sarnia home stand out. First, start with a plan. Hire a professional stager or consult with a real estate expert for a strategy. This upfront investment can pay off big time. 2, clean and declutter. A sparkling clean home is non-negotiable. Declutter every space you can, including closets and shelves. Aim for a fresh, airy feel that's inviting to buyers. 3, depersonalize. Remove personal items like family photos and unique decor. The goal is to create a neutral canvas where buyers can see themselves. 4, lighten and brighten. Open the blinds, add light fixtures, and consider neutral paint colors. Did you know that light blue walls can add up to 1.6% more value to your home? Small updates like these can make a big difference. 5, fix and update. Repair anything that's broken like leaky faucets, squeaky doors. Updating kitchens, bathrooms, or flooring can also add value if it fits in your budget. 6, add finishing touches. Small accents like fresh flowers, fluffy white towels, or tasteful decor can make your home feel warm and polished. Common mistakes to avoid. While staging is key, it's easy to make mistakes. Overly artificial setups, key areas like the kitchen or master bedroom, or skipping curb appeal. Remember, your home should feel welcoming, not like a furniture showroom. The role of professional photography. Even the best staged home needs great photos. High-quality images highlight your home's best features and attract more buyers online. Poor photos can turn buyers off, so investing in a professional photographer is a must. Staging is a game changer when selling your home in the Sarnia Lambton housing market. Are you ready to make your property stand out? Contact Blue Coast Realty today. From staging to closing, we are here to help you achieve your real estate goals. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more expert tips on buying and selling in Sarnia. See you next time.